Welcome back to the Trade FX Club, the space where we move beyond the basics and deconstruct the market's real behavior. If you're here to sharpen your edge, make sure you're subscribed. Ever placed a trade based on a perfect pin bar, a bullish engulfing, or a textbook doji, only to watch the market do the exact opposite? You weren't wrong about the pattern. You fell for what we call the candle lie. Let's get brutally honest. As expert traders, we know candlestick patterns are the grammar of price action, but they are not the story. The lie isn't in the candle formation itself. It's in the naive belief that a single or even a cluster of candles holds predictive power in a vacuum. The market's narrative is written by context, not by isolated wicks and bodies. That beautiful hammer at a previous support? It means nothing if it's forming under a massive descending weekly order block or during a fundamental news event that shifts the entire market structure. We become vulnerable when we treat these patterns as signals instead of symptoms. They are symptoms of a momentary equilibrium between buyers and sellers, a brief hesitation. The lie is believing this hesitation has a predetermined direction. The truth is, the subsequent candle, the one most people ignore in their excitement over the pattern, often tells the real story. It's the candle that confirms whether the buying or selling pressure behind that pattern was genuine or just a liquidity grab. Your expertise must shift from pattern recognition to pressure analysis. You need to be asking, what is the higher timeframe momentum? Where is the confluence of structure, support resistance, trend lines, fair value gaps? Is this pattern forming in a zone of institutional interest or in a no man's land? The candle alone is a pretty picture. The context is the trading plan. So, the next time you see a compelling candlestick setup, pause. Interrogate the chart for its context before you commit. Your job isn't to believe the candle. Your job is to interrogate it until the market reveals its true intent. If you found this reframe valuable, smash that like button. It helps the club grow. Comment below with the one candlestick pattern that has lied to you the most. Let's discuss in the comments. For more deep dive content that separates trading folklore from actionable reality, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Until next time, trade disciplined. This is the Trade FX Club. Out.